How to fix Washington Post app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To resolve the issue of your app not working, first and foremost try by press and holding your application to go to app info. From here, force stop it and head to storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. You can exit from here. If this feature is not available for your Android or if you are using an iOS device, go ahead and open up your mobile setting. From here, scroll down and select apps. Tap on all apps and search for Washington Post. Tap on it, force stop, go to storage and cache and clear up the cache. If you are on iOS device, go ahead and offload your application. Moving on with the video, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Washington Post. Tap on the application. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall it and reinstall it later. Now again, you have to open up your phone setting. Head back from here and check for your system update. Scroll down until you find the option and tap on it. Make sure that your system is up to date to ensure it is capable or compatible with the application. Lastly, if you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it and also check for a Wi-Fi connection. Switch to your cellular data if it's acting up. Also make sure that the application is available for your region. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.